Hi, welcome to this short video about, or titled, the capillary filling of a glucose strip. So let me jump straight into it and just describe it. What we're talking about today is you have a glucose strip which often has a microfluidic chamber upon it, and that microfluidic chamber is actually for receiving blood. So you will have seen, or you may have seen, type 1 or type 2 diabetics, for example, monitoring their blood glucose. They'll take the strip, they'll put the end of the strip on the drop of blood, and the drop of blood essentially wicks in and fills the glucose strip. So what's actually happening in that scenario is you have a end of the capillary here, which is open-ended. The drop of blood, and there's also, I should say, a air vent at the back end here. That's really important, that air vent, because if you don't have the air vent, essentially the microfluidic chamber will partially fill, but as soon as the air pressure builds up, it stops filling. So you need a escape for that air. So that's why there's a little air hole at the back of the chamber. So the drop of blood essentially comes in and makes contact with the open end of that capillary, and then the blood basically starts to wick in and actually end up filling the chamber. And that's essentially how a blood glucose strip fills, or the steps that go on when the blood glucose strip is filling. If you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to contact us at ZP. Okay, thanks very much.